Hello. So today we're going to go over the self-discovery tab in Naviance. So we're going to click on self-discovery home. And here you'll see that there's 6 different assessments that you can complete. These assessments will focus on matching your interests, your strengths, some personality traits with possible careers after high school. So for example, I took the career interest profiler. So if we go ahead to view some of the results. So this specific questionnaire was to help find some of the careers according to my interest and strengths. So if I scroll down, it'll say that the category that I scored the highest in was social. So I like to help people, teaching, nursing, providing information. My second highest category was conventional, so working with numbers. And then it keeps going on to enterprising and investigative. So as you keep scrolling, it'll give you a more detailed explanation on the categories and what you scored on and the different careers. So for example, since social was my highest scoring category, I'm going to view careers. And it'll give me some options as well as the type of education that I would need and the median salary that comes with this position. So one of the top positions, potential careers, is patient representatives, teaching assistants, business teachers, educational guidance, community health workers, and the list keeps going on. So if you find something that you're interested in, for example, if I click on this one and I'm going to favorite this career. So it just gives you a glance on some key facts. So I would need a graduate degree. It tells me what they do, some wages across the US, and it goes back to the traits. So if I want to go back home, so I would go back to self-discovery home. And if there's other assessments that I want further information on, I can just start taking these assessments. It'll generate personality traits, interest, careers, and then you can take it from there and then go back into your college search and see what matches with the schools that you're looking for.